This is dope. This is dope. I've been waiting on this for a long time. I just got this from YoloLive. They just sent this out to me. This is the Yolocam S7. This is just an opening. I'm not doing a review on it yet, but yo, been waiting on this. This is dope. Y'all know me. If y'all know me, y'all been following the channel. Y'all know I love the Yolocam S3s. Those are the best webcams out, and you're looking at it right now. I'm using two of them. One is my top down, and this one right here. Man, this is amazing. This is the Yolocam S7 4K 60 with interchangeable lenses and autofocus, 4x zoom, HDR, HDMI out, USB-C out. I mean, this is amazing, and it's going for $699. And you know, we're gonna talk about that in the review, but just wanted to do this opening real quick. So let's see first what we got here. Okay, looks like you give you all the types of plugs that you need. All right, depending where you are in the world, got everything in there. This is okay, the hardware here, and the beautiful Yolocam S7. Woo-wee, look at this bad boy. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Let's open this up. That's what I'm talking about. Here. Okay. Cord. Got another cord right here. Put that to the side. And here we go. Here we go. Man. Ooh-wee. Yes. This is amazing. And you can feel the weight. This is not cheap at all. Full metal build. Man. This is dope, yo. You got the HDMI out of craftsmanship. I mean, you don't need the FX30, the A7 IV, the FX3, the A7S, whatever. You don't need that technically anymore. If you're doing stuff like this, I'm telling you, in studio stuff, this is all you need. You don't need to worry about it overheating. You don't need to worry about dialing all this crazy stuff in. I mean, come on, man. It accepts Micro Four Thirds. Beautiful. It feels so good. Like, this is worth every dollar. If you're spending this money on this, it's worth every dollar right now. I can't even front. This is dope. And I'm not doing a review on it. Again, this is just the opening of it. I'm gonna take some time, see if there's any quirks, any weird things or anything about it before I do my final review. I've had other companies send me other webcams, and I'm telling you, these so far are the best and the most mirrorless type cameras that you can get. The Yolocam S3s are only $200. They're only $200, and they give you a great look. Now, this is their new one, like I said, the S7, and you can add your own lenses. So that's it, y'all. Look out for the review. Be coming pretty soon. But like I said, this is game changing, and it's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna have links in the bottom for the Webcam S3 and for this too. But again, so make sure if you want to stay updated to subscribe to the channel. That's about it, y'all. Be blessed, be safe, subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out.